back to my channel. I am so grateful to each and every one of you watching and listening. You know, in my previous video I was grinning from ear to ear and I said I was gonna spill and I was not gonna spill. Today I'm doing the spilling. Yes, I got to 1,000 subscribers on this channel. I am so excited. I just wanted to sleep and wake up and confirm that it's real, and it's real. I actually have 1,000 people, over 1,000 people watching and listening to me right now. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm thankful to each and every one of you that subscribed and have been consistent on my channel. I am so thankful. I love you guys so much. So right into the video, we're talking about Aquarius in a relationship, compatibility with the Aquarius. Oh my god, this is a topic that I've been so scared to do, but I'm doing it right now. Yes, before we go into details, I'm going to put out a disclaimer there. Yes, I am not a relationship expert or a relationship coach. Everything I'm going to say here is based on astrology, experiences, researches, and they're all facts. In fact, you don't have to come to me and tell me I don't need it, because you are not just an Aquarius. If you're listening to me, you're not just an Aquarius, because you've got other signs, other planets in you. So you don't just have to, you just have to accept that. So guys, today we're talking about the greatest overall compatibility with the Aquarius. You know that opposite attracts. Yes, and we have 4 elements in astrology. That is the fire signs, the air signs, the water signs, and then the earth signs. So basically, fire signs are attracted to air signs and water signs are attracted to earth signs. It's just like the 2 poles of a magnet, north and south poles of a magnet. They attract so quickly and without hesitation. So as Aquarius, being an air sign, they will automatically be attracted to fire signs. So expect the greatest, or expect every Aquarius or most Aquarius to be in a relationship with fire signs. So, and we have 3 fire signs: Sagittarius, Leos, and Aries. Aries, Leos, and Sagittarius. These are the fire signs. These are the bomb signs for an Aquarius. So I'll start with Leos. Leos are the greatest overall compatibility with the Aquarius. They are the greatest. When I say greatest, they are the kind of people that can sweep an Aquarius feet up. They can sweep them off their feet. In fact, they can take their breath away. Okay guys, the greatest overall compatibility for Aquarius are the Leos. In case you don't know about the Leos, I'm going to tell you about them. The Leos are the people that can actually sweep an Aquarius off their feet. They can take their breath away. Yes. So a relationship with a Leo, an Aquarius relationship with a Leo is gonna be so exciting. Like, it's gonna be so perfect, but not really perfect, because there is no perfect relationship. In case you don't know about the Leos, I'm gonna be talking about them to you. The Leos are ruled by the sun. I want you to listen again. They are ruled by the sun. Do you know what it means to be ruled by the sun? They are the only signs that are ruled by the sun. You know what? All the planets revolve around the sun. When I say all, I mean all. All the planets revolve around the sun. And you know that the sun is the biggest entity in the universe. So other signs are ruled by other planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. But then only the Leos are ruled by the sun. All the planets revolve around the sun, and that is why the Leos got so much ego in them. They got so much pride in them. They got so much charisma in them. They got so much energy in them. They got so much radiance in them. In fact, they have the kind of zeal that can actually sweep anybody off their feet. These are the kind of people that once they enter a room, the whole room will be vibrated. You feel the charisma, you feel the radiance. You know that yes, a Leo walked in. So a Leo is absolutely the one that can actually keep up with an Aquarius. Aquarius love people that always keep up with their willed attitude. Aquarius need someone that can always keep up with their energy, keep up with their weird attitude, and a Leo is perfect for them. A Leo is the kind of person that they can be so mad. In fact, if a Leo is madly in love, I think the whole world will know. They can't hide it, and because of that, I think Leos are so perfect in hiding their emotions. A Leo tends to be so emotionless. You know that they are emotionless, they've got emotions, but their pride, their ego would never allow them show their emotion. And it's kind of funny to me, you know. So an Aquarius is just like that about a Leo, that a Leo is not so emotionally dependent on someone, and they're not so clingy. They have this independent bossy attitude that they don't care, but deep down they care. So these are the qualities that a Leo possesses that an Aquarius really wants. But then the major challenge in the relationship of an Aquarius and Leos is going to be trust. Yes, they're going to be having trust issues a lot. Guys, another sign in astrology in the zodiac that is so compatible with Aquarius are the Aries. Aries are ruled by Mars. Aries is the first sign in astrology, that the first sign in the zodiac. So an Aquarius and an Aries relationship is going to be so romantic and full of memories. And Aries is so smart, sassy, rude, intelligent, so smart that they're gonna always tell you to your face, I am damn smart. In fact, they're gonna drop it on your face, and I don't care, I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that. Anyways, Aries are so spontaneous, they've got so much energy in them. They love adventures, they love creating memories, they love honest people, they love people that are so open like a book. And Aries and Aquarius relationship is so perfect. They're the kind of relationship that you're going to admire from a distance. You know, Aries love people that are so open like a book. They love people that are so you know, sassy and intelligent and smart, just like they are. And Aquarius is also suitable for them because Aquarius can be able to keep up to that energy. And if you're dating an Aries is ruled by Mars, that the first sign is zodiac, that the first sign in astrology, just know that an Aries always want to put it to you that they are the first persons in your life, they're the only people in your life, they're the best people for you, they're the only people that can sweep you off your feet, they're the only people that are so perfect for you. You're not going to find anyone as perfect as them. They're always going to put it to you that they're so smart and they know everything going on, that you can't deceive them, you know, that kind of a thing. I know, right? I don't care. Anyways, a relationship with an Aries is so romantic. In fact, it's going to be so fun for you that you're going to always admire them all the time. They are so perfect for Aquarius, and these are the kind of relationship you feel like you want, you wish for. And imagine an Aries and an Aquarius in a bedroom, they're going to burn the whole house down. You remember that Aries are fire signs mixed with flames, air, they're going to burn the whole house down. Okay, moving on to the next. Aquarius and Sagittarius. These people make a great and beautiful couple because these people are so adventurous. They love each other. They're so adventurous. You've forgotten that Sagittarius love adventure, and Aries love people that are so out of the world, that think out of the box. They're not into everything. That is just, they just want something different. They want people different. They want people that are so spontaneous, and Sagittarius are the kind of people for them. They are so spontaneous. They're going to have a lot of memories together. They're going to travel to the whole world together. They're going to have a lot of things doing together. But the problem in this relationship is that these people are always going to be distant from each other because they always love their space. Aries love their space. Aquarius love their space. But if they should work out, they're going to make a lovely couple. But if they don't work out, they're still fine. Now, Gemini and Aquarius relationship is always stimulated by communication, mental stimulation. They always be talking their way in, talking their way out. These are the kind of people that will actually be talking, and before you know it, they will just be into each other, and before you know it, they go into a romantic sex, you know, because they're always stimulated by communication, talking, and they can be aroused sexually, verbally. Yes, they can be verbally, sexually aroused. They can have sex just by talking to each other and communicating. In fact, communication is the only way these people are going to so be into themselves. I don't know, I've not been into one, but it's just so true. So Aquarius and Gemini, they make a lovely couple because these people are not going to ever have a lot of misunderstanding because they can just talk their way out of anything. And you know that Geminis are mutable signs, and Aquarius are fixed signs. So if these two people should be in an argument, this is what you're going to expect. Geminis are mutable signs, and when you hear the word mutable, it means that they tend to change. They are not constant, they're spontaneous, they are liable to change. So that is why a Gemini is so indecisive, because they love to listen to different people. If you tell them, I think this is okay, they'll say yes, I think it's okay. I think this is not okay, they'll say yes, I think it's not okay. They don't have a decision of their own, they don't have a mind of their own. They are so constantly changing. So this is a problem between them and Aquarius. Aquarius are so decisive, and Geminis are so indecisive. In this relationship, they're gonna be so much argument. One thing about the Geminis is that they are mutable signs and they're liable to change. The word mutable means they're not constant, they can change at any time, they're so spontaneous, and that's one problem that they're gonna have with Aquarius, because Aquarius are so decisive. They don't like people that are indecisive. They love to speak on what they want and they go for it. But Geminis can easily alter, they can easily change, they're not straightforward. And in a relationship like that, if they're having an argument with an Aquarius, and if disagreeing to the Aquarius is going to cause the Aquarius have a problem, if disagreeing to an Aquarius is going to make the Aquarius upset, they will actually agree. They don't like to argue with someone they love, and if the argument is going to change the belief of that person, they're not going to disagree to that. They just want to argue to agree to whatever you want to say, so that you'll not be hurt. You're not going to be upset with them. And that's one thing that I don't like about the Gemini. That's one thing that Aquarius are not going to like about the Gemini. They find it very difficult to stand on their ground. They are so indecisive. They are not straightforward. And in a relationship with Aquarius and Gemini, the major problem there is going to be their indecisiveness and the constant changing of Gemini's mood. Geminis always have mood swings because they're mutable signs. They can never have a constant mood. This second they're happy, this second they're upset, this second they're laughing, this second they're moody, this second they're thinking, this second they're depressed. A Gemini is always having different moods, and sometimes an Aquarius cannot be able to keep up to that. So this kind of relationship is going to be kind of shaky, and it's gonna be so strange. But if they should end up together, they're gonna make a lovely couple, because they can always talk their way out of everything, even though a Gemini is so indecisive. Another sign that is also compatible with the Aquarius are the Libras. Yes, they are air signs, just the Aquarius, and their cardinal signs, so they are so compatible with the Libras. But the problem with the Libras is that Libras can be so clingy. Libras can need so much companionship. In fact, if you're in a relationship with a Libra, just know that they love family. They just want to get married, have a family, have a lovely kids. That's the only thing on the Libra's mind, you know. But an Aquarius is the kind of person that doesn't like to be pressured in all those things. They just want to take that time. They just want to do everything. They just want to explore. They just want to have adventures. But a Libra is not really in for that. They just want everything and more. They just want to be there. They always want to be there for you. They always want to be in the family with you and all those. But Aquarius don't really need that most of the time. They just want to take their time. And this relationship, if it works out, they're gonna make a lovely couple. You're gonna be so perfect. You're gonna be so beautiful. It's gonna be so awesome. In fact, they're gonna have a peaceful family. You know that. But if it doesn't work out, they still move their way. Another sign that is so compatible with the Aquarius are also an Aquarius. Aquarius, yes, can marry an Aquarius. Yes, Aquarius can be in a relationship with Aquarius, but you know, too much similarities are not good. They're gonna have same similarities. They're gonna have a lot of things, same qualities, same similarities, and sometimes it can be so draining. Sometimes it can be so tiresome. But an Aquarius and Aquarius in a relationship is going to make an awesome couple. They're going to make an awesome relationship that is going to be so beautiful, because these people are going to travel together, going to achieve a goal. These kind of people will always set standards. These kind of people will always have things to do and they accomplish it. These kind of people always have an investment. These kind of people always have an empire that they manage to build together. One, they're going to build an empire. They're going to build a very big empire, because they always work together. They're gonna have so much drive because they have similar attitude, they have similar qualities, and that is that goal-getting attitude. So this kind of people always get whatever they set their mind to do. They'll always be interested in their business, they're going to be interested in their company, they're always going to be interested in their investment more than themselves, which is so bad. But an Aquarius and Aquarius in a relationship always work out, but it's so rare because they've got similar things together. Now guys, the least compatible signs for the Aquarius are the Scorpios and the Virgos. These people are least compatible with the Aquarius. So if you're a Virgo and you're dating an Aquarius, I'm so sorry, this relationship is gonna be so difficult for you, because I'm sure you will know that it's not gonna be so difficult. You guys are gonna have this repelling attitude, you're gonna have this repelling quality that doesn't attract, it doesn't just fit in. So if a Scorpio and you're dating an Aquarius, just know that the relationship is gonna be so weird, and you're gonna always be having misunderstandings, and you guys are never gonna have an understanding over a thing. You guys are always gonna be fighting over little things, that because you don't understand yourselves. Yes, you guys are not all that compatible. All signs are compatible. I did not say they're not compatible. Yes, they are, but I want you to know that they are most compatible and least compatible signs. The most compatible signs are Leos, Aries, and Sagittarius, Geminis with the Aquarius. And the least compatible, when I say the least compatible, I'm talking about the Scorpios and the Virgos. They are least compatible with the Aquarius. Aquarius needs fun life, they need something that will drive them, they need something that will cheer them up, they need something that will motivate them, they need someone that will sweep them off their feet, they need someone that can tell them, ooh, you are beautiful and I love you the way you are, you are so weird and I admire you the way you are. And the perfect person for them are the fire signs. Yes, so an Aquarius in a relationship with fire signs is gonna be bomb. You're gonna make an awesome couple, you're gonna make an awesome relationship. So if you're Virgo or if you're Scorpio and dating Aquarius, I'm so sorry to disappoint you, sis. I'm so sorry to disappoint you, bro. That relationship might not work out, and it's gonna take a long time for it to work out. So I suggest that you do the needful and make haze while the sun shines. So guys, I want you to comment down there what sign you are and what you want me to be doing in my next video. Yes, I think we're gonna be talking about the Pisces next, because of course I'm done with you guys. So in my next video, I don't know anything about the Pisces. I don't know if I should make about the Pisces or if I should continue with the Aquarius. So I need your comments in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I would so appreciate. So guys, thank you for my 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for everything, and I'm so grateful that I have each and every one of you here. I'm so grateful that I have each and every one of you listening to me. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification. Please. Thank you guys, and once again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.